One hot summer day, a crow felt very thirsty. It flew everywhere, looking for water, but could not find any. The crow became tired and sad. Then it saw a pot under a tree. The crow flew down and looked inside the pot. There was some water at the bottom, but the crow could not reach it with its beak. The crow thought hard and got an idea. It saw some small stones nearby. The crow picked up one stone with its beak and dropped it into the pot. Then it picked another stone and dropped it in. The crow kept doing this for a long time. Slowly, the water in the pot came up. Finally, the water was high enough for the crow to drink. It drank the water happily and flew away feeling refreshed. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way.